is.
My next builder right here, and then my next builder right here. My builders to the front, my guests, please stay behind your builder at all times, all right? And just be mindful of our chambers, friends. The chambers are a bit temperamental, so please don't lean on the chambers or touch the chambers. We don't want anyone getting a shock today, all right? Excellent, very good. Welcome to the workshop. Yes, it's a lot, and to us it's everything. Now I see you've met my fellow gatherers. And you may call me Kenbe. And yes, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. For good reason, so allow me to explain. You see, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. For we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We look at abandoned places, forgotten outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find out there, we gather and bring here to our workshop. So where a stormtrooper will hopefully see nothing but worthless clutter, those who know will see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. Now, we've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. Yes? Yes, good. Well, we hear that there is another, a new Jedi. She was a scrapper, like us. What's her name? Rey! Yes, and what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead to the future. And you are here today for something special. You're here to build this. A lightsaber. Well, the lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, for the saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, my friends, you will feel that connection. Hopefully. But enough talk. Let us begin. We start with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. You might recognize these from our myths, our legends, our history. Blue. Like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn. Ahsoka Tano. Master Yoda himself. And of course, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Beautiful and rare. Like the one wielded by the great Jedi warrior Mace Windu. Red. The color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul. Saj Ventress. Darth Vader. And now, Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. Today we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes and picture it. What crystal is calling out to you? What color can you see in your mind? Now, open your eyes and take that crystal. And remember, friends, that Kyber crystal might very well be choosing you.
It's really cool.
Well done, my friends. Now, if you haven't already, place your crystal on the green crystal holder in front of you. And is time to combine that crystal with the unique lightsaber design you have selected. You're going to be building your hilt. Now the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber and the center of control. The hilt is also the thing that keeps your hand from being disintegrated, so it's important. Now in the boxes in front of you, you'll find all the components you need to construct your very own lightsaber. They have been arranged by our gatherers to facilitate this build. Now here you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, your emitter, and your pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have selected your kyber crystal, you will now select the individual components that make up your own unique lightsaber's design. Our gatherers are here to help, so please follow their instruction and advice. All right, friends, let's build.
We're just going to pick up our chassis. We want to make sure that the vents and the little whisper up in the air is the power cell. When it's in all the way, it should light up and make a sound for you, something kind of like this. This is the hardest part, so if you need me, help, please let me know.
There we go. It's pretty cool.
Really set the activation plates for me. You're going to pick out a set of activation plates for me. On the inside of the activation plates you pick, there's going to be blue and red. Please make sure you're lining up the blue with the blue of your chassis, so the blue is going directly over the blue. You're closing in your crystal, goes kind of on the side. Perfect. And then red to red, and you're just pushing them together. And once you have your switches on for me, go ahead and push up your switch. Awesome. Go ahead and push back down. Very nice sliding down. Alright, friends, we're going to move on to sections 1 and 2. We get to pick any of the 4 grips. You will need one for the top and one for the bottom. Okay, so you can mix and match. Make sure that the thicker band is going towards the center, and we want to push and twist to secure. So you can use any of these for top or bottom. You get 2 at the just like that. So this is the top end. Yep. Perfect. And push and twist. Of course.
And then one for the bottom?
Yes.
And it can be...
Any of the 3. Yep. Flip that one around so that mirrors to the center. There you go.
Jeez. Yeah, I think I like
That's perfect. These 2 are the same.
I think I like this one.
Wanted to swap it out at the end, we can do that for you.
Okay. Alright.
Very nice. Alright, you're going to pick out a flame hitter from section 3. Twist at the very top of your saber, and you're just twisting it on gently like a bottle cap until it stops. You're going to do the same thing on the very end of your saber.
This is so cool.
Perfect. Do the same thing for the bottle cap at the very bottom of your saber.
It's very simple.
That's like the I don't know what it's seen, I don't know where it's been. Good, all right. I feel better.
It's very orange. I love the orange.
But it's
So much.
keep the balance. Jedi and Sith. Having that balance, Jedi Sith crystal, that especially.
You're welcome. Alright, are you happy? Awesome.
Well done. Well done. This is why it's
This towards me, so you have some space and I'm just going to do a final check. In tradition, we're going to activate all together here. And they says activate, you push up on the switch, and then to deactivate, you push the switch back down. Alright? Congratulations.
You feel how heavy it is? I love it. It's very cool. I love the colors.
It's kind of like Cynthia Sean's.
It does. It's very different. I like this. This is the top bit only. They kept it very simple at the bottom. I like this. I like the writing on the side.
our passion, yes? Passion will lead to strength. Strength to power. Power to victory. Victory over what is up to you, so please choose wisely. Now, what color crystal? Green. Interesting. That's a Jedi crystal inside a Sith lightsaber. Very good. Prove you should never judge anything by its outward appearance, right? Very good. Well done. Well done. How do you feel?
So good.
So good. Why did you choose this?
I really like the color and the writing.
You know that that's writing. That's ancient Jedi writing. Yes. Do you know what that says?
I do not.
Neither do I. I was hoping you did, actually.
Whatever you want it to say.
Well, it hasn't been spoken for generations. Yes?
secret.
Well, it might reveal itself to you. It called out to you today. It might reveal itself. In fact, all of your sabers might reveal their power to you, my friends. Eventually. So take a moment to clear your mind and hold your hand out towards your saber. Feel that connection.
Oh, yeah.
And now, my friends, it is time to back away. Everyone take a big step back. Allow room for our gatherers, for we must stabilize your kyber crystal. Now, the gatherers are placing your hilts into our crystal stabilization chambers. This is a delicate step, and it must be done carefully by someone who's well trained and experienced. Lucky for us, our gatherers are both. Now, we do this to make sure our components are working in harmony with your crystals. We want to avoid a misfire or an explosion. Basically, I don't want any more holes in my ceiling. But don't worry, our gatherers are the best in the galaxy. See what's happening.
Well done. Chosen approach with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Thank you, Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. My friends, in a moment I will invite you to step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber. Then, on my command, we will all activate our lightsabers together. Builders, are you ready?
Yeah!
Then it is time. Step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Raise your lightsaber. Congratulations, my friends. You have built a lightsaber. Yeah. And like the Jedi and the Sith who came before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Well done, my friends. Please deactivate and lower your saber.
Complete your lightsaber phase. Light your path, it can. Choose your path.
Squeaky one.
You can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Now, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your newly built lightsabers, we are issuing you a saber sheath, which you can collect as you leave our workshop today. Well, my friends, our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. You are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you have built. It is time to make your mark across the galaxy. For who knows, next time, we may be telling your story. Now, raise your lightsabers and activate! Till the spire! Till the spire! The galaxy awaits, my friends, and you can lead us right through that door. Welcome, my friends. Go and seek your destiny. Very good. Travel safe, my friends. Journey well. Travel wisely. And remember, if a stormtrooper asks where you got these, we never met, right?
Never.
Never. Scrap metal. You found some scrap metal. Very good.
So cool. So cool. I'm about to cry. So cool. You gotta feel how heavy it is. It's so heavy. I'm about to cry right now. That was emotional. Like, insane.
Crystal, you pick it up. Yeah, upstairs we have